yung pong court of public opinion sa labas, may in charge pa ho doon? Kasi pag nagsimula ito, hindi na ho maitatanggi itong operasyon ng mga operators para po sa social media.
Well, Manong Ted, number one, umaasa kami sa inyo. The mainstream na mga journalists, no, who are very much concerned about reporting the true set of facts, no? Kasi napakahirap dito sa social media. Totoo yung sinabi ng kasama ko, si Congressman Noy Defensor, that one of our challenges and perhaps the biggest challenge is the fake news, no? But apart from our trust and confidence to the mainstream media, of course, we have appointed two spokesperson for the House, for the HREP's public prosecutors. And these are Congressman Sia Jong and Congresswoman Rene Co. So umaasa kami na habang humaharap kami dun sa impeachment trial, they will be the one to explain to the public, to laymanize everything that is happening before the impeachment court para mas maunawaan tayo ng taong bayan. Because after all, Manong Ted, no? Ito'y kapangyarihan na ipinagkaloob sa sambayan ng Pilipino to impeach impeachable official. Kami po, representative lang po kami ng mga Pilipino who will be standing before the impeachment court. So, indeed, the complainants here are the Filipino people. And it is incumbent upon them to really understand what will be happening before the impeachment court. Of course, nakita na nila yung nangyari sa Justice Committee, pero iba yun eh. It's just a clarificatory hearing, no? Ito full-blown trial na to. And they need to see and hear every pieces of evidence which will be presented because at the end of the day, para sa kanila ito. At sila din ang huhusga kung tama ba o hindi ang magiging hatol ng ating mga senator judges, no? Definitely, ang maghuhusga dyan ay ang senator judges, but of course, we have this court of public opinion. At the end of the day, ang senator judges, with all due respect, huhusgahan din ng sambayan ng Pilipino. From our end, Manong Ted, ginagawa namin yung aming constitutional duty. Ilalatag natin lahat ng ebidensya, but at the end of the day, it will be the senator judges who will be rendering the decision.
Mga kapatid, patuloy po kayong tumutok sa 105.9 True FM para sa totoong balita, impormasyon, music and entertainment. Mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at podcast at sundan nyo kami sa Facebook, Instagram, X at TikTok sa True Network PH. Bisitahin din po ang aming official website, truefm.ph. At panoorin din kami sa True TV Signal, Channel 19. Kami po ang 105.9 True FM. Laging true sa'yo, kapatid.